Hunter Wireless Valve Link, solenoid wiring. Once a WVL is installed properly, you can connect the solenoid wiring to the DC-Latching Solenoid. If you've ever installed a Hunter node controller, the process is the same. Connect each numbered red output wires to the correct solenoid red wire using a waterproof connector. Connect the black output wire to the solenoid black wire with another waterproof connector. If you're installing a multi-station wireless valve link, connect all solenoid black wires to the single wireless valve link black wire, exactly like a common wire in typical irrigation installations. Once you've properly wired the WVL to the valve solenoid, you can activate the manual station test feature built into the WVL. This requires access to the battery compartment. With at least one battery installed, you can press and hold the left button closest to the finger icon for 2 seconds to locally activate the first station. Multi-station WVLs can press it again to advance to the next station. You can press it one more time to shut off manual activation. When you're confident you have good coverage, you have installed the WVL properly, and you've successfully activated and tested the station, you can add the second battery into the battery compartment and secure the compartment cover. Then, complete the installation into the valve box lid. The wireless valve link should now be fully installed and ready for controller testing. To learn more, visit hunterindustries.com.